Are you considering venturing into the world of electronic machines? The Alfa Next 100 has 100 stitches, 14 basic, 64 decorative, 6 elastic, 7 for quilting, 7 automatic buttonholes, 1 button, and 1 loop. The stitch width is adjustable up to 7 mm. And it has a horizontal shuttle. Additionally, it includes a reverse button, automatic threader, thread cutter, and free arm for tubular garments. It has 7 rows of feed dogs, double presser foot height for thick fabrics, and drop feed. Finally, it includes an extension table and a complete set of accessories. Make the most of your next 100.